Today we are going to program the garage door opener on your car. You'll need the handheld garage door opener, the garage door opener on your car, and your ignition on. What we have to do is press the two outside buttons until the light starts flashing, this little light starts flashing, and then simultaneously press the button on the handheld device and the button you would wish the car opener to be on. So let's start. Press that button. Now we need to wait until the light starts flashing. Should be any minute now. Okay, now we need to press the button on the handheld device with the button you wish you would be on. So let's press this one. Okay, so now it is programmed. Let's see if it works. No funciona. So now it is working. So your programmation is complete.